So we're down the flying field for the first day since lockdown has finished, and who do we bump into but the Trev? Trev, take your hat off. You have to show them this. Man, that is how long we've been in lockdown.
Boris says we couldn't have it cut, so there we go.
I'm loving that. I wish I could grow my hair like that, but I have to use a Bic every couple of weeks. What do you got here? So I haven't seen one of these before. This is a...
It's a PilotRC Slick 74.
Not seen one of these in the UK before.
They're quite new, basically. We'll have a look inside.
Yes.
Take this off. These little things here that just release the canopy. You pull them over.
Okay.
And then they clip into here. Like.
Oh,
quick release.
Very neat.
You've got the quick release on the wings. You undo these 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and slide that back and the wing will come off. Push them forward and tighten that up. And there we go.
Oh, they've really thought about this, haven't they?
Yeah, it's
to make it very quick to assemble when you get to the field.
Yeah, this is fixed. This doesn't come off.
Sorry, what did you point out there? I missed that.
Sorry, the tail plane is fixed. It's fixed. It doesn't come off on a thing.
Okay.
I'm running it on high-tech 7954 servos, 4 of those.
On how many volts?
I'm running it directly off a 2S LiPo into a Spectrum AR8010T. So it's just whatever voltage you come out of a 2S LiPo.
High voltage servos then?
High voltage servos, yeah. I'm running off 2 3300 6S packs for the motor.
12S?
12S.
Okay.
That's about it really.
Okay.
Sweet.
Excellent. All right, let's see it in action then, Trev. And get your reaction afterwards.
Right, so
do you use anti-sparks?
Ah, yes.
You do, yeah. So am I right, this isn't designed for electric setup? It says you can use electric. It does. Pilots say that. They do say that. All right. It's really for a petrol engine because petrol will come in a lot lighter than using a whole electric setup. All right. But let's give it a go. Yep. Okay, here we go. So how was that?
It's okay.
Okay?
It actually flies better if you're flying it faster. I wouldn't say it's a pure 3D model for low and slow, especially at that weight, which is about 13 pounds a flying weight. With a petrol engine it'll come in a lot lighter, so it'll probably fly better. But once you start going a bit faster, it feels a lot more steady.
Okay.
So I would say if someone's after a pure 3D model on electric, this probably isn't for them. Put a petrol engine in it and, you know, obviously go faster. That's when it really comes into its own.
Right. So this is down to it's built for an engine. It's got more structure in it, more material in it to deal with the vibration of the engine. Is that right? Whereas if it was built solely for electric, they would have built it lighter.
That's absolutely correct.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. It's just that I mainly fly electric. I have got a DA35 which I'm putting it with a smoke system. So watch this space. We might do another video later on in the season.
Oh, that would be interesting to compare. Yeah.
And it'd be interesting, like you say, to see how it goes lighter with a petrol engine, where you're flying it a lot faster all the time in a different type of flying.
All right. So part 2 to follow in the next few months with an engine in it.
It is a big plane for a 74. I will say that. One thing that I found interesting is that Pilot don't include the spinner in the overall length, as a lot of companies do.
Well, what's that? That's a good 5-6 inches, isn't it?
Yeah, well, you've got a 3 or 4 inch spinner on it, so if you add that, it really, it makes it a bit longer, and it is actually a bigger model. If anyone's got an Extreme Flight 74-inch laser, which I've had, there's a video online of me flying that, this plane, even though the wingspan's the same, it is actually a bigger model.
Cool.
So, yeah.
Thanks for that.
You're welcome.
Trev. And look forward to seeing it next time with an engine in it.
Okay.
And good to see you down the flying field, mate.
Well, we haven't flown since what? Back end of September.
Yeah, long time.
You know, so maybe there's a part of it. Obviously, I haven't flown for a long time, so I need to get back into it.
Same for all of us.
Yeah, that was only the second flight I've had in it. It's a little bit nose heavy at the moment, and it still needs a bit of trimming. So maybe when that happens, we get better at it.
Yeah. Well, we will do as the season carries on.
Absolutely, yeah. I think we're all in the same boat.
Thanks again, Trev.
You're
Enjoyed
welcome.
that. Cheers.